When it comes to cooking, having the right gadgets can make a world of difference. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, the right tools can streamline your cooking process, enhance flavors, and even make cleanup easier. In 2024, Amazon has some of the best gadgets that can transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. From innovative cooking appliances to clever accessories that save time and energy, here are 10 Amazon gadgets you need for your kitchen right now. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a game changer in modern kitchens. This multifunctional gadget combines 7 kitchen devices into one, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and even a sterilizer. It allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes, from stews and soups to rice and desserts, in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. With its intuitive controls and preset cooking programs, you can easily make meals with just the push of a button. The Instant Pot also features a delay timer, which makes it perfect for busy individuals who want a fresh, home-cooked meal ready when they arrive home. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, this gadget is a must-have for efficiency and convenience. Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill. The Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill is perfect for anyone who loves grilled foods but doesn't have the space or time for an outdoor grill. This versatile appliance not only grills your favorite meats, vegetables, and seafood, but also bakes, roasts, and even air fries. The Foodi Grill's Smart Cook system ensures that your food is perfectly cooked every time, thanks to its adjustable temperature settings and built-in thermometer. One of the standout features is its powerful 500 deg searing capability, which gives you that perfect grilled char. Plus, its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're grilling burgers, veggies, or fish, this indoor grill brings the taste of outdoor cooking to the comfort of your kitchen all year round. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. If you're someone who loves eggs in any form, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker will be your new best friend. This compact device can cook up to 6 eggs at a time in a variety of ways, from soft-boiled to hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or even omelets. It's incredibly easy to use with its simple one-touch operation, and the result is perfectly cooked eggs every time. Not only does it save you time, but it also helps you achieve consistent results, so you don't have to worry about overcooking or undercooking your eggs. The Dash Egg Cooker is an excellent gadget for busy mornings, meal prepping, or anyone who enjoys eggs as a healthy, quick snack. Plus, its small size makes it perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. For coffee lovers, the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine is an absolute game changer. This sleek and compact espresso machine brings the cafe experience straight into your kitchen, offering professional-level espresso drinks in the comfort of your own home. With a 3-second heat-up time, you'll never have to wait long for your coffee, and the automatic milk frother creates velvety smooth milk for lattes and cappuccinos. The Bambino Plus also features a PID temperature control system for precise and consistent brewing, ensuring that every shot of espresso is perfect. It's ideal for anyone who craves high-quality coffee drinks but doesn't want to spend a fortune at the local cafe. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, this gadget will elevate your coffee game. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. If you're a fan of avocados, the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer is an absolute necessity. This handy gadget makes it quick and easy to slice, pit, and scoop avocados without the mess or hassle. The blade effortlessly cuts through the skin, while the pitter safely removes the pit with a simple twist. The slicer then gives you perfect, even avocado slices, ready to be added to toast, salads, or sandwiches. It's ergonomically designed for comfort, and its non-slip handle ensures safety while working with sharp objects. Whether you're making guacamole or preparing a healthy snack, this tool will save you time and frustration, making avocado prep easier than ever. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor is a kitchen powerhouse that can handle all your cutting, slicing, dicing, and mixing needs. With a large 14-cup bowl, this food processor is perfect for families or anyone who likes to batch cook. It comes with multiple blade attachments, allowing you to shred cheese, chop vegetables, knead dough, and even puree fruits for smoothies or soups. The powerful motor makes quick work of tough tasks like kneading dough or chopping nuts, and the wide-mouth feed tube allows you to add ingredients without having to pre-chop them. Whether you're making homemade pizza dough, preparing a salad, or creating dips, the Cuisinart food processor will make your food prep faster and easier. Anova Precision Cooker Nano. Sous vide cooking has become increasingly popular, and the Anova Precision Cooker Nano is the perfect tool for anyone looking to experiment with this method at home. This compact yet powerful immersion circulator allows you to cook food in a water bath to the perfect level of doneness, ensuring your steak, chicken, or vegetables are cooked evenly and consistently every time. With its Bluetooth capability, you can control the cooker from your smartphone, adjusting the temperature and cooking time to suit your recipe. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano makes sous vide cooking easy and accessible for home chefs who want to achieve restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer. The Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer is a timeless classic that every serious home cook or baker needs in their kitchen. With its powerful motor and versatile attachments, this stand mixer can knead dough, beat egg whites, mix batter, and so much more. The tilt head design makes it easy to access the mixing bowl, and the mixer's smooth, durable build ensures it lasts for years to come. This is more than just a stand mixer. It's a complete kitchen system. With the additional attachments available, such as pasta makers, food grinders, and spiralizers, the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer can tackle almost any kitchen task. If you love baking or cooking, this is a gadget you won't want to be without. Vitamix Explorian Blender. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is a top-tier blender that will elevate your smoothies, soups, and sauces to new heights. Known for its power and durability, the Vitamix can crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and puree ingredients to create perfectly smooth textures. Whether you're making a green smoothie, a hot soup, or a creamy nut butter, this blender handles it all. The Explorian Blender is also incredibly easy to clean, as it can self-clean in just 30 seconds by running warm water and a drop of dish soap through it. With its commercial-grade motor and long-lasting performance, the Vitamix Explorian is perfect for those who take their blending seriously. OXO Good Grips Digital Kitchen Scale. For anyone who loves to bake or cook with precision, the OXO Good Grips Digital Kitchen Scale is an essential tool. This scale is accurate to the gram, allowing you to measure ingredients with precision for perfect results every time. Its sleek design and easy-to-read digital display make it a joy to use, and the scale can measure both liquid and dry ingredients. With its tare function, you can easily subtract the weight of containers or packaging, and its compact size ensures it doesn't take up much space on your counter. If you're serious about portion control, meal prep, or just want to make sure your recipes turn out right, the OXO Digital Kitchen Scale is a gadget you'll reach for daily. These 10 Amazon gadgets are perfect additions to any kitchen, making cooking more efficient, enjoyable, and even fun. Whether you're looking to streamline meal prep, improve the quality of your meals, or simply save time, these gadgets can help you do it all. Investing in the right kitchen tools can completely change the way you cook, so why not upgrade your kitchen today? Don't forget to like this video if you found these kitchen gadgets helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing recommendations. Happy cooking!